Okay, for number 12, we have y equals x squared minus 2. So this is a quadratic graph. Remember that the quadratic parent function starts at 0, 0, also goes to the points 1, 1, negative 1, 1. 2 squared is 4, so it goes to the point 2, comma 4, and negative 2, comma 4. 3 squared is 9, so it goes to the point 3, comma 9, and negative 3, comma 9. It gives you this shape, which we call a parabola. So that's just y equals x squared. If I want to take y equals x squared minus 2, the minus 2 just tells me that all of those points are going to shift down 2. So I can kind of fake that on this graph by just moving my graph. And there, I've now graphed y equals x squared minus 2. But really what you want to do is you want to start your vertex at the negative 2 on the y-axis. Okay, and then I'm going to use that pattern we talked about in a previous problem on how to graph. 1 squared is 1, which means if I go over one box and up one box, I can put a point on either side. Okay. The pattern that we use in our algebra classes, we talk about how the rate of change is changing by the same amount. So as I go over 1, I go up 1. Then as I go over 1, I go up 3. And then either direction, as I go over 1, I go up 5. And then as I go over 1, I go up 7, but I'm going to run out of space there on the graph. So this red curve is y equals x squared minus 2. And we're using the pattern 1 over 1, 3 over 1, 5 over 1. And that pattern comes from 0 squared is 0, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9. And if I look at the values, I went up 1 on the x, up 1 on the y. That's 1 over 1. Up 1 on the x, up 3 in the y. That's 3 over 1. Up 1 in the x, up 5 in the y. That's 5 over 1. That's just a shortcut to make it faster to graph.